Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I promised a crack slaw video. So we are going to start out with a bag of shredded cabbage from Trader Joe's. There's nothing added to it, but I am sauteing it in a pan with a little bit of olive oil as a healthy fat. And I just stir fry this. I caramelize it and I get it really cooked down because the entire bag is 3 greens. Actually, you're missing just a little bit, but it's more than enough. Trust me when I tell you. So saute your cabbage with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray until it wilts, until it's caramelized. And if you look really closely, you'll be able to see some of the caramelization in the cabbage, which makes it taste nice and sweet. Then moving over into the skillet, we are going to cook 99% lean ground turkey. Again, sprayed the pan with olive oil so I don't have to add any healthy fat to my meal. And this is just plain and simple. I haven't added any seasoning, no condiments. It's just the ground turkey. And we cook this until it's no longer pink in the middle. And what we're basically going to do is combine this with the sauteed cabbage when it's all done in one big bowl, and then we will be adding a condiment. And the reason it's called crack slaw, because I know people were asking, is because crack is very addicting as a drug. And when you make this and taste it, you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. This is addicting. It's delicious. It's filling. It's voluminous. It's healthy. It's low fat. It'll keep you on track because it's going to keep you full for a long time. All right, so now we're going to get the food scale out. We're going to put the bowl on top. And here's where I tried to show you the measurement of the ground turkey. So we're going to put 7 ounces of the cooked ground turkey into this bowl. And that's your serving. It's a lot. There's a lot of food in here. You're going to have an entire bag of the cabbage and 7 ounces of the turkey. It's a lot. Some people have to split this meal in half. Just depends how hungry you are. Now here I went over 7. So I took some out and made it 7 ounces. So that's the food. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to mix this up and I'm going to get the condiment that we add to this. You don't have to add this, but I love it. I love the flavoring of it. And here it comes. Low sodium soy sauce. I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time while I show you, but low sodium soy sauce is a great way to get some flavor. There's some salt in it clearly. And I go just under a tablespoon. That's enough for me. Otherwise, my fingers and everything get swollen the next day, and I don't like that. So 1 tablespoon, a little shy of it, and I mix it up, continuing in the same bowl that I put everything in. And this is lean and green for today. This is crack slaw, guys. You can add anything you want to it. Some people like dressing. Some people like ranch. Some people, like I do, like the low sodium soy sauce. If you didn't use olive oil, you could add avocado as your healthy fat. You could add a little bit of cheese to it, but that's basically it. It's literally 3 ingredients. Super simple. I hope you guys try it. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you have made this, if you are going to make it, and what you think of it. Feedback is always important. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great night.